Jamaica. Trying to find a seat in the stage. Oh, they got a train. So we with Jose.
I'm in.
I thought you said Jose.
I
I'm
know you got
joking.
that
I'm in. He gonna be back at 1 o'clock to pick us up, so we can be back to the boat, right?
Oh yeah. Don't worry.
We looking for you.
Oh yeah. You'll find me.
Thank you. Thank you. They got music. Just your girlfriend? Huh? Just your girlfriend? You got a girlfriend? Oh, I could be? I'm not going down that slide. Look at this slide. Then they got a rope over there. You can swing from the rope.
Yeah.
You been down the slide?
Yeah.
You went down it? You brave.
I like a hot roller.
Who playing the music? Who your favorite artist? You got Popcorn? Yeah, play Popcorn. You know Popcorn?
Yeah.
Hey. Got hair right now. Big chair. Shower area. Changing room. That huge water slide, y'all. Oh, this is like another area where you can eat. Y'all, the lady at the bar when I first walked in live, she told me they didn't have hookah. I stopped and I got high with some guy on the boat, but they got hookah. So now I'm about to go get one. But I'm high as fuck right now, y'all. Shawty come give me a la 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 la. Jamaica. Hello. I'm trying to find a seat in the shade. No, 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 no. Baby, come give me a la 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 la. Why didn't I bring my food with me, y'all? So now I gotta walk all the way around here to get food. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna go check out the water and then we'll go get food. Parents, please help watch your kids. So I'm trying to find some Belizean food, y'all. Is that what it's called? Belizean food. Fuck them, then I get some money. Beware, stingray. Fuck them, then I get some money. Fuck them, then I get some money. Look how big this is. It says 4 bedrooms. Have a 1 bedroom and a bathroom.
4 bathrooms.
I'll go to the other side. I ain't go down them steps over there. I'm too lazy. Another one. This how you drive the boat?
Right there.
Oh.
For the upstairs.
You can drive the upstairs and down?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you can be cooking and driving the boat. Making steak and driving. And doing laundry. And then look. Another bathroom. Bedroom. This will be so cool. People be having parties on here. Now I see why these things, it be expensive.
They have AC everything, but they have it on right now.
A living room area. This is so nice. You know how to drive this? What? It's good and hot out here too. Hi.
Here, where you can do the rum factory over there, is a little museum which is tells you about a little bit of the factory, stuff like that. That side is where we do almost the walking and stuff we can look at. Okay guys? Like what I said, it's a lot of the food shots, the best sellers around. So you can try the rum cream, the coconut rum would be good.
Coconut rum.
5-year-old, very nice and smooth. 5-year-old. You want this one?
What's the bottle like?
You want this one?
I want that rum one.
This rum?
That's
No.
fine, dude.
Or that's rum.
That's
The rum
rum.
cream.
That's
The cream one is good. This.
Is there a shot back?
No, don't shop that. This is tasty. This is tasty. Let's take
You don't
it
like-
out. Solid. Thank you. I can take it if you don't want it. You don't have to take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Let me take it, Ollie. Don't take it. I don't want you to be fucked up. Take it then. Go straight in. Take it then.
Drink.
Drop it.
This one is real sweet and smooth. Sorry.
You like that one? Too sweet?
I like this one.
Or you like strong stuff?
I think maybe it's the orange juice. Mm-mm. This was the best. Okay, give me a coconut.
Don't worry.
That's how to get you. Another one.
Coconut.
What's this? Coconut rum?
Yeah. Try the rum cream. Here we go.
Okay, can I have my favorite? This is the last one. This.
Alright, so which one do you want to try? The rum cream. The rum cream. We have the 5-year aged rum. Alright. Remember, guys, for $1 is 2 shots.
Yes, that's delicious, right? I think I had to give him another $1. Like more right here.
Give me another one now.
Same thing?
Yeah, the rum cream is delicious. I tried a few of them, but this is the best in the coconut rum.
Coconut, but I'll try it.
It doesn't even taste like coconut because I'm not a coconut girl. So
I'll do the coconut and I'll chase it with the cream.
You're welcome.
Belize.
No, we need a shot. We need like 2 minutes.
Oh, yesterday, no.
Is this how y'all make it back here?
5 minutes.
How do you make it, y'all? There's people back there. Hey.
This is just examples of when
This is nice.
Is that the cream?
Yeah, I tried the cream. Did you like it? Yeah, it was nice and smooth. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That's the line back there, y'all. They're trying to get on to right here to get on this boat. I'm not waiting in line. I'm gonna have a drink. I'm waiting in line. Me? You're perfect to me. Not y'all trying to be peer runners. These girls are trying to run. We have like a whole 5 minutes. Who got to run? I think I gotta find my boarding pass, y'all.